In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $235,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest, how do I find profitable affiliate links that earn me a lot of commission, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. And let's get started. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, go to Google. Okay, first go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process page, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your country, your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, what you need to do next, you will go back to Google. Okay, and you will search for Pinterest. Okay, because we need to open Pinterest business account. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account, we need Pinterest business account. Okay, so let me see. So like I said, you need to open a Pinterest business account. After you finish, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google. Okay, and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so you should use Pinterest trend to see what's trending in this month on Pinterest. Okay, which products are trending, which services are trending, so we can use those products or services that are trending and we will promote those products or services on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services or any random services. You need to choose which services are trending. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, scroll down, and before you scroll down, click over here and choose which country you want to target. Okay, if you want to target United States, choose United States. You can choose Canada, Italy, Spain, and so much more. Okay, we will just keep using targeting United States. Scroll down, you have over here top trends in United States this month. Okay, scroll down and you have here discover trend in United States. Okay, and as you can see over here, you have filters. Okay, and if you scroll down, you have over here interests. Okay, click over here and scroll down. Let's choose, for example, design. Okay, I will click on design, this keyword. Okay, scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of keywords that are trending. Okay, like this one, live in a room. We have Asteria, We have over here studio. If we scroll, we have Insta story template. This one will be in, so let's check this one. I will click on this keyword like this. Okay, scroll down, click over here on date and choose paste 3 month. Okay, and here this one is trending. Okay, Instagram story template. If we scroll down, we can find even related trends. Okay, so more keywords. Okay, let's check this one. For example, I will delete this one. Let's check this keyword, Instagram template story. Okay, and as you can see, this one is trending. It's still trending. Okay, it's still going up. Okay, as you can see, so like this one would be a good service, okay, to be promoted. So what I will do, Instagram template story, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for Instagram story. Okay, I will search for services related to this keyword. Okay, that's it's trending in Pinterest. Okay, go to Fiverr, search for Instagram story, scroll down, and here you go. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. I will create an engagement filter for Instagram story. This one looks really good, but let's see if we can find a good one. I will design professional Instagram post and story content. This one looking also really good, as you can see. This one I will design unique Instagram poster or story. This one. Okay, let's choose this seller. This seller is level 2 seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. So before that, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage. Click over here on home feed. Click on create pin. And you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on his picture. Okay. Double click and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it Instagram story. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture. Click on open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. You need title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Just go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. You can also copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Pro, it's the same. Okay, go back to Pinterest, and put your affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board. Okay, so if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one, Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put tags, okay, keywords. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down like this, and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, I will copy this one, go to Pinterest and put these keywords here. Okay, Instagram story, go back to the seller profile page, Instagram post. I will copy this keyword, paste. Okay, you can also go to Pinterest trend and you can also copy this keyword here. Okay, the keyword that people are using to search for these services or products. Okay, and put these keywords here. Okay, like this. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. It's super easy, and that's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing business. Okay, it's really super easy. Use Pinterest trend, okay, and do your keyword research, see what topic are trending, which products or services are trending. Go to Fiverr, search for services that are related to those keywords that are trending on Pinterest, start promoting those services on Pinterest, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, and why I choose Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's really so much. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free. Okay, millions of people are using Pinterest. Okay, and that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So make sure to stay consistent and promote a lot of affiliate links. If you have new accounts, start just by promoting between 2 and 3 affiliate links per day, because you need to warm your account. Okay, after a few weeks, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day. Okay, but if you have new account, you need to start just between 2 and 3, and this is maximum you can promote. Okay, so your account will not get banned. Okay, that's it. See you in my next videos.